Hello, YouTube. This is your host, Tommy Cunningham, come to you live from Forest Ridge Apartments. Today is Thursday, and today's video is brought to you by our lovely friends at the Indianapolis Zoo. So we are also brought to you by tonight. We are also brought to you by one of the most Halloween horrific attractions in Indiana. I learned that, and it is called Happy Halloween Nights. So also let you guys know, this thing is at Holiday World, and it's supposed to look really nice. It's called Happy Halloween Weekends, and their date starts on it starts on the 25th and 29th, and they also have Kids World, which is a special world for like little kids. They can have fun, they can do whatever. And also looking at Rhea reference. So Rhea reference today, what we are going to be looking at is this place, the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Because today at the Excel Center, I was looking up that place, and they pretty much shocked me on how big their county is. And then after that, if we look on here, they have 3 emergency ops channels. They got 2 fire dispatch channels. They got 1 EMS and 1 corrections, which the corrections is Bowling Green Regional Juvenile Detention Facility. And then keeping on going down, look at their public works. So Bowling Green City School System, they use DMR radio system. Warren County Schools Transportation uses DMR. But on a Western Kentucky University, they use like the NX 960. They have like frequencies like for Common University, Parks and Transportation, their cadets, their library security, Athletics Channel 1, Athletics Channel 2. And then after that, if we look around, if we click on like Warren County, Bowling Green, Warren County trunk system, we look at their system on here. Let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's just a bunch of talk groups. And after that, they have like they have like a fire dispatch 1 and 2. They have like rescue squad, and their EMS dispatch there is called MedCom. So if you guys like listening to EMS dispatches, they have like a Med Center EMS. They have an announcement channel. They have a transfer channel. So looking at the government services, Public Works, Park and Recreation, their road department, their airport authority, their Go Bowling Green Transit. So the Go Bowling Green Transit, that one's channel 2001. So also let you guys know that Bowling Green Police Department has like Police 1, Police 2. They got 3 police dispatches there, and going on down, they have an automated fire dispatch. And look, there is like nothing like a radio system that looks bigger than this. Now the Tennessee Advanced System, holy cow! You guys would fall in love with that system if you guys are becoming to like my channel. Because you guys will check out the most stuff. So Campbell County in northern Kentucky, so they have North Primary, North Central Secondary, Central Primary, South Secondary. Those are all repeater mobiles. And then in northern Kentucky, law enforcement area-wide TAC repeater. And after that, they have jail operations. And after that, they have like their fire dispatch, their fire primary, Campbell County TAC, National Fire Mutual Aid. So going on down, SWAT uses DMR in the town of Alexandria. Bellevue, they have police, which is FM. And after that, Cold Springs City Services also used as a PD tech. So PD techs are mostly different. And in Dane, Kentucky, the Public Works. Fort Thomas, Public Works. Highland Heights. City Services also used as a PD tactical. Let me take you guys with me. That's it. You guys are still with me. Let's go check. Hello? So taking you guys back over to my computer. I thought I heard somebody come in, but they didn't. So looking at like my radio frequencies, like from 1 to 2, if I was going to listen to this. If we were going to a special resort, I would recommend that we listen to one. If we are going up to, also on Newport, they have a Squat and a Public Works. Then after that, the hospital, they have the St. Elizabeth Healthcare. And we are brought to you by tonight again, the Indianapolis Zoo. If you guys like to watch Halloween stuff, go see Boo Bash, because that thing would scare the heck out of you. Plus, there's also some at the Louisville Mega Caverns, which you just walk through. Starts at the end of September, so please mark your calendars for that. And also, the Indianapolis Zoo. Tell you guys a little bit of their website before I let you guys go. They have an alligator one this year. Thursday they got feed a bungee on Orlistic. They got a dolphin presentation at 11 a.m. They got feed a flamingo, feed a giraffe. They got brown bear chat, feed a giraffe, feed a flamingo. Then the other dolphin presentation is at 2 o'clock. So if you guys are people with disabilities, what I recommend what you guys do on that, I would let you guys look at the Cincinnati Zoo, because they have more better stuff. Not say that because they use a more better saving wildlife. So So there's like animal care, there's like Go Green, there's like the Center for Convention Research on Enhanced Wildlife. And then after that, we look around, we click on plan your visit to Cincinnati Zoo. Zoo tickets. Let me tell you guys what they are. So the general admission tickets, if you guys are looking at, they are falling on this day. So admission plus rides, train hours 9:30 to 5 p.m. Carousel 9:30 p.m. to 5. Admission. Plus there's also some for wild counters. The ones for admission, $14.50 for adults ages 13 to 61, $14.50 to $23.50, $8.50 to $17.50 ages 16 plus. So those are on the dates on today. If you guys have any questions, you guys can contact the Cincinnati Zoo. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching my video. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. This is Tommy Cunningham, signing out.